Hey, in this video, I will show you how to transfer iPhone to iPhone, or basically how to transfer everything from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Let's say that you just got an iPhone 12. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, that basically works on any iPhone, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm because each like helps me out a lot. You can subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I really want to help you out. And also comment if comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I am curious to know that. So what you want to do is go over to the settings on your iPhone. First, on the old iPhone, go to your name, click on your name, then select the options that says iCloud. It's right here. From there, you want to go down until you find iCloud Backup. Normally, it's above iCloud Drive, below Keychain. Click on it, and here, as you can see, my backup is on, and you want to click on Backup Now. When you do that, everything that you have on your phone basically will be backed up. On your new phone, on the new device, if you already set some stuff on it, what you want to do is go over to General, go down to Reset, click on Erase all content and settings on the new phone, and then when you're setting it up, say that you already have a phone and use the backup to actually upload all your information. Therefore, you can transfer an iPhone to a new iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. This was the idea. I upload hundreds of videos just like this every single week, and every like I get matters a lot. It means a lot. So make sure you give me a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.